How to block channels on YouTube. Hey everybody and welcome back. If you're anyone who wants to stop seeing unwanted channels on YouTube, you may follow up these steps for that. So you may start by opening up YouTube on your phone or your PC and make sure we are logged into our account. And from here, basically we search for a channel. You can use the search bar at the top or you can scroll until we see a video from the channel that we want to block. So for example, let's say this is the particular YouTube file. You can head over to the channel and basically look out for the three dot in the top. So tap on it. And when you do, you will be finding option called block channel or do not recommend channel. So we have this option of hiding the user from channel and blocking channel for children. So you can tap on that option. And once you do so, you can just go and tap on you. And what it will do is that will block all the videos from the channel. Similar or related videos by this creator may be visible on other channels, but YouTube will instantly stop showing the content from this particular user. Or if you do not want to block them and only restrict them, you can look out for the three dot and tap on it. And look out for this option called hide user from my channel. And when you do this and confirm this pop-up right here, YouTube will instantly stop suggesting videos from that channel. And that is it. And you may just go over and follow it up. And now we have successfully blocked the YouTube channel. So you may follow up these method. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in next one.